Welcome back. The battle against Northeast Ohio's opioid crisis is getting more funding. The Cuyahoga County Board of Health and Cleveland Department of Public Health have just been approved for a grant to fight drug overdose deaths.
Our Kaitor K joins us from the Cleveland Health Department with details on how the money will be used. And Kaitor, for a lot of people, this really is a huge, huge deal.
That's right, Laura. Absolutely a huge deal. Now, this grant money is coming from the Centers for Disease Control, about $77,000 over 3 years. The Cleveland Department of Public Health tells us in 2022, 334 people in Cleveland died from an overdose, and the rate of deaths haven't gotten much better since, especially because of how much people are using fentanyl. The department's Commissioner of Health, Equity, and Social Justice, Lita Wills, says they plan to use the money to fund screenings for substance use disorders, host community workshops to educate people about addiction resources, and to provide bystander training to City of Cleveland employees and other organizations on how to use naloxone, naloxone being a medication that quickly reverses an opioid overdose.
When we're dealing with fentanyl, an overdose that can be helped, it has to happen really quickly. And so if the clock is ticking, you may not have enough time to save a life by calling 911. It takes, minutes for EMS to arrive on scene, but if you have the very equipment that allows for someone to come out of an overdose on your person and you know how to use it, you can save their life right there.
Will says they're also working on a plan to make free naloxone available in City of Cleveland buildings, such as at City Hall and recreational centers, as well as providing city employees training. Now, coming up at 5, we'll be talking with Metro Health, who's going to help the health department get that free naloxone inside those City of Cleveland buildings. Laura.
Kaitor, you talked about overdose deaths, the number for the City of Cleveland. Do you have any stats for Cuyahoga County as a whole?
Yeah, I asked the medical examiner's office that question today. Now, you should be able to see the numbers up on your screen right now, and we're told that these are not final, but they say at least 691 people died from an overdose death last year, which is about 50 more than in 2022. And as you can also see, that's higher than the last several years as well.
Yeah, it is devastating. It is heartbreaking. Those numbers keep going up. We've talked to families who have been directly impacted here in Cuyahoga County, and I know that they are waiting for this news, and it's welcome for so many. Kaitor, we'll see you at 5 o'clock. Thank you.